Did you know that 90% of investors and real estate professionals, when looking for investment deals, spend about 90% of the time just finding them and looking for information, looking for listings. And only then they will select a few properties, and then 10% of the time will be going into due diligence and crunching it more in depth. We have a solution for you if you're a real estate professional or an investor, which will save you tons of time and effort. It will give you already a selected list of properties which you can buy and or put it under contract and then do the due diligence. So now I want to take you to the platform itself. I will share my screen and show you the Vera Finder in action. Let's go take a look at it. So we open the platform, we go to verafinder.com, and then we immediately see two functions, the Finder and the Rent Valuator. So let's begin with Rent Valuator. Very cool tool, very useful if you want to estimate what you can rent your home or apartment or townhouse for. We can go by address, by the zip code, or by the city. So let's say we will go by the zip code. We can punch in the zip code. I'll select the Aventura, where we have the main office. Then we specify the look back, number of beds, baths, and type of the property. I'll just skip it for now. I'll click Analyze, and I see that the median estimated rent is $3,350 in this area. Also, we can select and check by the city. We can punch in Aventura, and the number should be different because the zip code covers this part and takes non-Aventura places. So remember 3350, then we click Analyze, and we have 3200, so a little less. And it shows you which properties it used for comparables, and you can see them down below. You can see more comparables, and the list is pretty huge. And you can see the dates when they were rented. You can change the look back, number of beds, baths, or specifically the property type. For example, if we click condominium, the number stays the same because in Aventura we have primarily condominiums. Now let's check out the Finder. So Finder is the tool which shows us the rate of return for the properties. Here I have Aventura opened as well, and we can see that a lot of returns are from 2-3%. So let's see if we have anything here above 5%. I already see one property, but we can see more properties. So we have 3 properties, and this is done in a matter of seconds, literally. It's connected to MLS, and it shows you only available listings and under contract listings. And we can filter. We can filter by the home type, or by the number of bedrooms, bathrooms, the size of the apartment, the year built, price per square foot, by the keywords. This is an amazing feature. We can punch in the keywords. For example, we can want to see waterfronts only. Then we also can use some other filters. So we can hide the under contract properties. When we hide under contract properties, that means that we'll be focused only on properties which are currently available. So let's pick that, and let's click Show Properties. So it shows us few apartments and one home in this zip code and area which we can check. Now we can also clear the map, and we can see all the properties if we zoom out which are available based on this criteria. So again, you can find it in a matter of seconds. Another and last feature what I want to tell you about is the alerts. So you can sign up for alerts, you save the search, you can get these deals first. You click Get These Deals, and then it will show you and send your email updates and alerts if it finds the similar properties. Also, we can, when we click on each property, we can play with numbers. Let's say we can play with the annual increases. It's all customizable. If you're a real estate professional, this is an amazing tool because maybe you have some insights which platform didn't catch. You can easily input them. Let's say you negotiate the price down to $200,000. And then you can click Apply Changes. You see the rate of return changed right away. We also have the highlighted buttons here where you can point on them and it will tell you what it is and give you a description of certain abbreviations which you might not be familiar with. Also, you can always write to support, send us a message, so we will help you and give you the direction. We also have performance calculated here in the Finder and snapshot of the rent valuation estimate, so you don't have to go separately into the first two and get the valuation. So that's the platform. The beauty of it, it saves you time, it gives you all the information about the property, it shows you the rate of return, the total return numbers, it gives you the flexibility to adjust numbers and calculations so you can get exactly what you need and get the report for your clients or for yourself. And we always can save the properties and it will show up over here. So if we click on it, we can see the favorites and we can open it again. We can print out the report and we can really focus on finding the best deals and not to spend time on crunching the numbers. Vera Finder will do it all for you. So I hope you enjoyed the overview of Vera Finder. This is an amazing tool and it's been built by real estate professionals. I use it almost on a daily basis and I advise you to go and check out the trial. The link to the trial will be below in the description and comments. So make sure you go visit the website, get the trial, and let us know in the comments what you think about the platform. Your feedback is highly valuable to us. Again, Vera Finder will help you to find the best investment deal in seconds.